The silent drift of icebergs. Far from shorelines, immense blocks of ice break away from glaciers and ice shelves, setting out on long journeys across the sea. These floating giants, called icebergs, are among nature's most striking travelers. Monuments of frozen time that shape oceans, climates, and ecosystems. An iceberg forms when the edge of a glacier advances into the sea and fractures under its own weight, though only about 1/10 of its mass is visible above the water. The submerged portion can reach extraordinary depths. Some icebergs tower higher than buildings, while others stretch for kilometers, drifting for years before melting away. Composed of compacted snow that may be thousands of years old, icebergs are time capsules of Earth's past. Within them, tiny bubbles of air preserve records of ancient atmospheres, offering scientists insights into long-vanished climates. As they melt, icebergs release this pure, fresh water into the ocean, subtly influencing salinity and currents that drive global circulation. For marine life, icebergs act as floating habitats. Nutrients carried in their meltwater spark blooms of plankton, which feed fish, birds, and whales. Seals and penguins often rest on their surfaces, using them as platforms in otherwise open seas. These frozen travelers thus sustain life far beyond their origins. Icebergs also remind humans of nature's unpredictability. Some have posed hazards to ships, with history's most famous example being the sinking of the Titanic. Today, monitoring and tracking programs help ensure safer navigation, while also allowing researchers to study iceberg movements as indicators of climate change. Though destined to melt, icebergs leave behind a legacy of transformation. They carry the memory of glaciers, the pulse of the oceans, and the resilience of life that thrives in their wake. To see one drifting silently across the sea is to witness both the fragility and the grandeur of Earth's frozen frontiers.